In Nigeria, the quest for stable and reliable electricity is more than a demand. This is a necessity for everyday use. But how do we bridge the vast gap between current realities and the sustainable power distribution? The key lies in metering, a crucial element in the blueprint for energy reform. With the introduction of Nigeria's new Electricity Act, the landscape is set to transform, as every customer is now required to be metered. Drawing from our experience in the power sector, Deloitte's latest thought leadership delves into the potential implications of implementing a scalable metering distribution system across the Federation. With such implementation, distribution companies will be better positioned to collect payment from customers, consequently leading to increased liquidity within Nigeria's electricity value chain. This ultimately leads to increased productivity and growth of our country's GDP. Our just released thought leadership piece explores innovative solutions and strategies that can help light up homes, power progress, and fuel economic growth across Nigeria. Read our full report and discover how together we can ignite a brighter future. Deloitte Nigeria, making an impact that matters.